Okay, so today did not go as intended at all. I slept in until 8:45 this morning. Myles had a soccer game scheduled for 9:30 and the kids were not awake yet. So we rushed, got everyone dressed and ready. Lucy was screaming and crying the whole time. And by the time that I am able to get her into the car and we're about to leave, I opened the trunk, and our wagon that we use for Lucy and Hayden, and the chairs that I take to the soccer games are not in there, and they're not in the garage either. I leave and I call my husband, and he sounds like he's also been having a rough morning. He was just so over his day already when I called him. He was really apologetic about not leaving the wagon and the chairs. And then I pull up to the soccer fields, and here it was picture day. And I didn't know that. For some reason, when I signed Myles up for soccer, I put Eric's email address down, so they send him all of the updates, and he doesn't think to check for the updates in his email. I called him and he felt terrible about that. And I feel bad that I had to call him about that. So we missed picture day, but Myles got to his game on time. We are getting through it. It is now 11:04, and I'm hoping that the day just gradually gets better. Well, we have cleaned up a lot of his room. We moved his bed over to the side. His room's kind of small. So we're going through his big closet, which was a big mess. It still is, but we're getting somewhere, kind of. I went ahead and stained some of the privacy fence outside. Here's an update of the room so far. Lots of progress. Myles is finishing up right now. You need to take a nap.
No.
Yeah.
No. Well,
All done. All done. Hooray.
No.
Vad takten alla fest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen. Vad takten alla